Please, please. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Please. Please.
No one
is coming
to help you.
help me.
Let that sink in.
Let that sink.
No one is coming to help you.
Let me say that.
Let that sink in.
No one is coming to help.
Folks, I'm going to warn you today, you're not going to make it. If you are being entertained by the spirit of this age, it's going to swallow you. There's a terrible storm coming. Not only to New York City, but it's coming to the whole world. An unspeakable storm, something that is so severe that everything that can be shaken will be shaken. Everything that can be removed will be removed. Every false gospel will be destroyed. Every false trust will be exposed. There will be panic everywhere. A terrible day is coming. I don't really know when, but I do have a sense in my heart it's not far. This nation is sown in central rottenness. People who have refused to turn away or have had no power to turn away from evil. The sewage now has been pumped into home after home. It is now permeating the very minds and beginning to be acted out in the lives of the people. What has come to America and Canada and the Western world that is going to destroy the very fabric of our society? What have we allowed into our homes and into our lives?
No one is coming to help me. Let that sink in.